Hey fellow pips, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. So today is Friday and it's Quick Tip Friday. Today I want to talk about balance and the balance that we have when we're attaching our equipment to a tripod. Now the weight to balance ratio can be all over the place, especially if you're trying to do long exposures. So this tip, if you've never done it before, is absolutely worth its weight in gold. So I'm just going to get my tripod here, and we're going to be using the X-T4 with the 100 to 400mm lens. Now, a mistake easily made because it's cost effective. Just when you get your camera, your tripod and everything else, you just get one quick release plate with it. What you need to do is invest in another one straight away. And also, if you're using the Peak Design equipment, you need to also get some of these little eyelets. That way you can attach them to the base and you never got to take them off again. So once you've done it, you've done it. It's there. You always get one quick release plate. You must buy a second. The reason why I'm going to show you now. Okay, so we've got a tripod and we're just going to pop him in here. Now, if I was to just put that on there, I'm struggling already because the weight of the lens is there. That's got it. But all that weight is just pulling that camera forward, and when you try to lock that in, that's just going to slowly start moving. And also, because of the sheer weight of this, the fact, I mean, look at the play in that. You take that shot, so you lean in, you take the shot, and then it's just going to move, and it's going to take a good 2-3 seconds before it can settle itself down. Love that. So what we do is we quick release that off and we pop it straight in. Look at that straight away how much easier it is. I'm not fighting the weight's completely balanced nicely, and that is Quick Tip Friday. So the other quick tip I want to give is when you're shooting on a tripod at night, say the stars and everything's fine in the day, but then when you shoot at night, you get that little bit of movement. First things first, balance. Get that balance right. That's going to help you straight away. Second, 2 or 10-second timer, whichever one you feel you need. That's going to give you the right amount of stability. Take your image stabilization off. You're not going to need that, but think of your stability. How long is it going to take before you settle from you moving away? So you think you settle, but just that little knock of the leg, and I mean, look, you can just see it slightly moving. That's just the smallest vibrations. I mean, that's 2-3 seconds there. Now, the other thing you need to know is the 500 rule. When you're shooting the stars, you divide your focal length by 500 if you're using a full frame camera, and 300 if you're using a crop sensor like the Fuji X-T3, 4, so on, so on. So what does that mean in the sense of, let's say, a 10mm lens on a crop sensor? You would divide that by 300. That's going to give you a exposure time of 30 seconds. So just make sure you divide your focal length by 500 full frame, 300 by crop sensor, and you know what? You'll have your results you want. Balance to weight ratio, 2 or 10-second timer, and the 500/300 rule. That's it. With that said and done, guys, there's one thing left to do. Let's get out and shoot. I'll see you soon.